Hello, this is Michael with Tiny Frog Technologies. I want to talk a little bit today about websites for consultants. We do quite a few websites for consultants in a variety of industries. And there's a couple different areas or features or things that we'll oftentimes build into these websites that can really add value to the website and the experience that the visitor has. So the three things I want to talk about today are case studies, are you really making your website, using it as a tool to show that you're a thought leader or an authority in the particular industry that you consult within. And the other one is really having a really good team page. So first thing is case studies. So it's really helpful to have a section or a page on your website that's dedicated to showing experiences that previous clients that have had, successful experiences that previous clients have had. And if you work with a variety of different types of clients, you can create almost like an avatar for each one. And they may be real life clients, or they may be, an avatar that's representing a particular client type. So typically when we have clients that build case studies on their website, they'll feature the case study as a main, section or page to the home page. And then the user will click into that and go into the case studies page. And again, they might click into an individual page that features an individual case study. You probably don't want to have too many because it can become overwhelming. So anywhere from like 3 or 4 to 5 or 6 is probably a pretty good number. And again, it's really important that each case study features a different service that you offer, or focuses on a different surface, or is focusing on a different type of client that you're working with. So that's the first thing, case studies. Next thing is a teams page on your website. Most consultants have a team, and it's really helpful to have a page that's just really highlighting the team. It might be called team or about or whatever. But on that page, we typically recommend that page is a really nice design. So it's not just, a picture with a bio wrapped around, and making it look kind of generic. So what we'll typically do is design a really nice custom layout for that particular page that's really featuring and highlighting the team. It's really helpful to have images for all your primary team members. If you have a huge team, and you might just feature the leaders or the managers. But if you have, probably 15 or under, it might be a good idea to feature all the people on your team. In terms of the images on there, the headshots, it's really helpful to have professional headshots where they're consistent in terms of the look of the headshot, the style, and so forth and so on. So it's good to invest in having a photographer come in to take the pictures. And then, long bios can actually be more of a distraction. So maybe a short bio, maybe a link to a short bio, so that it doesn't, it's not overwhelming for the visitor. And the other thing is, once again, a website can be used as a really helpful tool to show that you're a thought leader in a particular industry. Probably the most common thing that we recommend doing is having a blog and utilizing that blog and posting things on there that with some frequency. Could be videos, could be short articles, it could be press releases, it could be success stories you've had with other clients. And many of our clients actually are doing podcasts nowadays, and they're featuring and integrating those directly into the website. There's a wide variety of those. And if you're doing a newsletter, which is something we almost always recommend doing, you can repurpose a lot of that content in your blog for your newsletter as well. So those are some ideas that we might recommend if you're a consultant, adding to your website to make your website a more engaging tool and a better marketing tool for your business.